Hello everybody, I'm at the warehouse. If you want to have a little gander, that's where we keep all our stock if you're new here. Let me just give this money to the mother. There they are. Right. She said wave at me through the window. Yes, please. God, it's a bit full up here, isn't it, guys? So these are sold lines, ready to be sent. Oh. I've got all of the up here, through here. Let's see what people have been buying, shall we? What's this order? Albert in pink. Oh, it was me. Doesn't need delivery for 3 months. Some of you do that, guys, if you're like waiting for a house move and things. Selfridges. Oh, Vasily was showing me his plants that he's been building. He's literally got like this lovely front garden, and he's got strawberries, chilies, flowers. Very cool. Anyway, so yeah, pink corner, zebra footstool. Oh, I know exactly who this is. They bought lots of very interesting things. They didn't go boring. This one, she's bought a Marnie corner in Sublime Olive, Howard Ludlow footstool, Archie, that's the, you know, the floral armchair. She's got hot air balloons. I remember her as well. Oh, that's another part of her order. But yes, you guys have been busy buying, haven't you? Look at it all. So, if you're new here, what we do, hey Vasily.
Hello. Hello.
So, all of these rows are your sold, and then when it gets to the racking, that's where we've got stock ready to sell. So, Vasily is showing us his garden. Does anybody...
Garden today.
Wow. He's got 14 strawberry plants. So impressive. I love it. So when he goes home from work, he's very busy.
I like.
You do like it. Can you imagine this being your garden, guys? And then one day, somebody broke the boots in store and he took them for a planter. So if you ever smash your boots, guys, if you recognise those, we sell those boots. He's made them into a planter. Bougie planters. So yeah, we've got all this. What's going on out here? Have you ever seen the view from the warehouse? It's a bit grey out today. And then it goes through here. I think I'm allowed through here. It's probably... I think it's not a barrier zone. Well, Connor's singing. Alex is busy. Hey, Alex.
Hello.
So Alex is photographing our Oliver corners for us today because these are on free shipping at the moment. We've got Connor, got Reese. I always say, could we have a photograph of corner pieces? It's not the simplest job, is it, Alex?
No.
Because they've got to build the things. This is pretty much how it arrives in your house. So the Oliver corner comes in 3 pieces. We deliver them without the legs on because that keeps them safe in transit. And you've got one piece like that, second piece, third piece. So they all slot together on these metal hinges. They come all boxed up. And yeah, basically the Oliver is a discontinued range. So once these have sold, we can't get any more. But we've only got plum and teal corners left. And then once those have gone, you've got no more corners left. And because of that, we have actually got these at 60% off. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. Someone's clearly bought something. It's going in the sold bay. So yeah, a bit of a behind the scenes that you don't get to see very often. So this is obviously the back end of the business. So when you see us doing all our little silly videos, this is the heart of it, really. This is where the magic happens. So you come in store, you buy your sofa. Sometimes it's in stock, which means it comes down from these. It's put into the sold bay. The customer service girls will get it ready and booked in delivery with you, and off it goes. And that's why we can offer up to 7 working days on in-stock items, and all of these are in stock. So at all times we try and have, well, sometimes these racks are way too full. But look at all this, guys. It's quite an operation we're running. And then if you buy something that's more bespoke and you want something made to order, obviously we do that. I would say that the most common amount of lead time on our bespoke items at the moment is 6 to 8 weeks. Some are more, some are less. And what will happen then is get made at said factory, and then once it's made, it will come here, go straight into your sold bay. We'll label it up with your name, address, and where it's going. And if you've bought more than one thing, which, let's be honest, most of you have, if you've got cushions, if you've got footstools, here's some of our footstools, for example. These warehouse guys will work really hard to get all your pieces together so that all your things get delivered at once. You might recognise some of these. Got some of your leopards, Harris tweeds, all ready for the new homes. You've got your tiny little ones here. But yeah, I've basically asked for all of our corners and all of the chaises to be photographed ASAP, really, because I'm going to do a post about them later on. Alex was just telling me it's his 1 year anniversary today. He joined a year ago. Anyway, so Alex will then brush it down a bit, make sure it's picture perfect, ready for his photo. So yeah, basically 60% off your Oliver pieces, whether it's the armchair, whether it's the corner, whether it's your straight sofas. We are very, very low on stock now. It's also free delivery on only Olivers. We have sold out of quite a lot. I think all your navy and all your teal straight sofas are now sold. I'm absolutely certain on the teal situation, but not certain about the navy, so double check with me. Cool, that does do a good job, that. Is that Harris tweed you're using? As if. Bit of Harris tweed, guys. Smooth your sofa right over. So yeah, 60% off, free delivery, and that's why you've got barely any of them left. Anyway, I'll leave Alex to do his magique. Rugs. Oh, who's this? Tesla. Oh, God, you know what? That's my dad. What on earth did Tesla want?
Probably something to do with the shutters, maybe.
Okay. Alright. Lovely. My dad and his Tesla, eh? He's such a nerd about that car. Is that a lamb I can hear?
Sorry, that was a bit nervous though.
Oh, don't! It wasn't a lamb. It was Reese watching a video of his baby. Sorry, that made me laugh, guys. Anyway, we'll come up here. You can have a little look through here before I head home. Back to the mill for a day of selling. It's freaking freezing in this bit. Need a fleece. The serious boys. And Ruth. Hey, Dad.
Hi,
Yep.
they're going to Otley today?
Otley.
Yeah.
I got chatting and forgot to actually say hi to everyone. So we've got your customer service in here. Recognise Sophie from our work trip. You've got Sophie over here who loves to be filmed. You've got Lauren. Sophie, don't act camera shy. Please.
Right, we'll get back to it.
Okay, right. I know Alison doesn't like film, so I'll respect that.
I know where that comes from.
Oh, really?
Yes.